Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this sticker and the print on my Procreate. So this video was requested by someone from Instagram. So here it is. Here I am using a Procreate. It's an app designing software, you can say, but here this is how I usually use Procreate. For this specific kind of a dog I'm creating, I just pull out one picture that I like from the website, from Google, and I'm started outlining the face only, and I also add the other details too. I'm not gonna go in very detail here. As you can see, I'm not really explaining here anything. I'm just gonna show you just very quick tutorial. So in case if anyone here is interested, you want me to show you very step-by-step process for the sticker that I make for my Etsy shop, and I also create a custom pet portrait prints for my Etsy shop. In case here if anyone interested in something like that, how I create that, you can always just comment in the below, and I will be happy to create another video for you guys and show you literally step by step how I do that with explaining everything. But here just enjoy watching how I do this, a very quick one. And if you have any question, just leave a comment down below, and go ahead and make sure you check out my Etsy shop so that you get more idea what I am actually creating here, and what kind of sticker I usually make and sell. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And like I said, I always say that if you have anything in your mind, you want me to try something new, maybe on painting, on a canvas painting, or even on my new iPad on and a new Procreate app that I just purchased it about a month ago. So enjoy. And here I'm just gonna fast forward this video so that you'd have to watch me for hours and hours, because this took me about like 1.5 hours to complete it. And I'm starting some more new videos from next week about the Procreate and how the Procreate works, like how the features work on the Procreate, and how to use all those brushes, all the materials, all the tools that are in a Procreate. So keep watching, and I will start posting new videos from next week. So here I'm almost done with my sticker. I'm just outlining the borders, the white borders, and then I'm all done with this sticker here. If you really enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up to this video, and if you have any question about anything or any material that I use, just leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you. So here how it looks like. You can always purchase it from me from my Etsy shop. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.